to do an unboxing of my CurlKit for the month of October 2018, and I'm super excited. Like lately, I don't even know why I'm excited, because lately these CurlKits have been you know, so hopefully this is like a brand new line. Doubt it, but it might be. So I'm super excited to open it. Like it's still like got out the mail this morning, and this is what it looks like. Didn't even cut it open yet. So I'm going to cut it, and then we're gonna see what we got inside. Got it out. I thought it was gonna land on my bed. It really didn't. Anyway, this is how it looks. CurlKit. Okay, let's take the top off this. And when you open it, that would have been upside down. Comes in looking like this, real nice and tight and wrapped up. A little CurlKit sticker. Curl Life Boss Moves. Know your worth. So they always send like a little pamphlet. I don't want to learn anything by like looking to see what I have in here. Okay, it's like a bunch of different stuff. So it doesn't really tell me exactly what's in here. So let's just get into it. I have, oh, let's start with this first item. Coils by Nature Ultra Moisturizing Cocalo Deep Conditioner without argan oil. You know, this is kind of cool. Like, I've never had a deep conditioner in this casing before. Let's see what it claims to do. Okay. Alright. Okay, maybe not. I don't think it has what it has, like their story on it. Okay, let's do directions. After shampooing with our hair and scalp cleanser, they always try that. Apply small amount ultra moisturizing cocoa aloe deep conditioner from root to tip, gently combing through hair. Apply to damp hair before you intense deep conditioning. Cover your plastic. Ooh. So this one tells you to sit under a dryer or a steamer for 20 to 30 minutes. Then rinse hair with cool water. So honestly, I don't know exactly what it's supposed to do. That's the first time that happened. Oh, duh. But it's cute. Let's smell it. It smells like cocoa butter. Alright. We'll see how this works. I'm kind of excited. I'm always pumped for a new deep conditioner. So, oh, I wish I could close it. Yeah. Stop it. Oh gosh, it does not take that much work. Alright. Next, I have Sunny Isle Replenish and Rejuvenate, the original authentic Jamaican black castor oil. Oh, this like the rip. This is Jamaican black castor oil. There ain't no other things mixed in or nothing. That's it. Alright, it's not even full size. What are they doing to me right now? Anyway, I'm actually super excited about this next thing. It's not even a hair product. It's Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Hydrating Facial Wipes. Like, I was literally, like, this morning, I was like, oh, I wish I had facial wipes, because I know it's gonna sound gross, but I hate, like, washing my face, you know? You know what I mean? Like, washing your face. Like, I don't know, that splash of water thing that they do on all, like, the Neutrogena commercials isn't real life. Like, you have to do it, and then, like, it's, like, in your eye, and it's just not cute. So, like, it stresses me out. And this is exactly what I was talking, like, literally earlier today. I was like, I wish I had some facial cleansing wipes. I weren't, like, makeup wipes, because, like, I want this to, like, cleanse, not take makeup off, you know? Because I don't really wear makeup, in case y'all haven't noticed. But, yeah. I'm excited about this. Let's smell it. I have the deep conditioner from this line. You know what? Like, packed up. Anyway, whatever. Next. Okay. Oh. Dark and Lovely, all natural. New with coconut and argan oils, anti-shrinkage. Clumping curl clay cleanser. Recipe for defined curls and coils. So this is kind of interesting. I'm not gonna lie, it's interesting. Let me see what it says on the back. Start adding moisture in the shower and give those curls and coils a fresh, clean start with our Clumping Curl Clay Cleanser. Why do they do that? Our purifying formula is made with kaolin clay, argan oil, and coconut oil for a nourishing blend that cleanses without stripping your hair and encourages curl definition. It's the first step in our clumping routine for shapely and defined curls you can see and feel. Okay. Oh, so I think this is like a what them things called? A co-wash, because it says that you can do like the shampoo too and use this as like a conditioner. I don't know, low-key excited about this, but got this sewn in, so I gotta wait a while to try it out, unless my brother lets me try on his hair. His hair, like, he has like thick hair. I think it was like up to here, so like it's a decent amount of hair on his head. I can definitely try out some products on him. I might try out the deep conditioner on him too. And might as well know he has his own Jamaican black castor oil, because everybody already has this. I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping. If you don't, I apologize. Did not mean to offend you. But like, it's like when you go natural, I feel like it's a rite of passage to buy yourself some coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil. I mean, it's like thick, so like you should definitely use it as a sealant. Don't use it to like moisturize your hair. I heard it like what's it called, blocks your pores in your head, so it stops growth, and you don't want that, sis. That was just what I kind of think I know. I'm not really sure if I do know it, but yeah, that was my October 2018 curl kit. Wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst. I'm actually excited about these products. While I continue CurlKit, I keep saying like, oh, I'm gonna cancel it, but like I feel like the month I cancel it, it's gonna be lit. So I'm not canceling. It's only $20 a month, you know, and you're supposed to get 6 or 5 full-size products. I only got 4, but it's okay. It is okay, because I'm going to, oh, these wipes came in clutch, okay? I paid $20 for some wipes, but it's okay. Alright, I'm done blabbering. Thank you for tuning in. Catch you in the next one. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Tell your friend to tell a friend. Yeah. Thanks for being here in the beginning of my YouTube journey. I'll see y'all in the next one.